to 60 days pa po yung pinakamatagal na inventaryo. Ano po yung dahilan bakit po hanggang April 16 lamang yung commitment nila na hindi gagalaw yung presyo?
Yes, because this is across the board, meaning all basic necessities and prime commodities products will have no price increase. Yung iba kasi po can give up to 60 days, yung iba can give up to 90 days. So for now, across the board, meaning lahat ng nasa basic necessities and prime commodities list have no price increase. So we want to keep it that way na at least pangkalahatan. Then after April 16, we will inform the public again what is the update of our latest meeting.
Okay. Secretary, after April 16 ang inyong report. Well, of course, before April 16, makikipag-meet na ulit kayo, no, sa mga manufacturers natin.
Yes.
Opo. Ito po ba, ibig sabihin ay meron ng magiging pagtaas? Kasi marami ang kinakabahan sa mga nagbabudget ngayon. Kahit ako mismo, kung by after April 16 ba, ay meron ng kailangan na i-expect na pagtaas sa ilang presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin.
Before I go to the topic, for now, wag muna tayo mag-panic and wag muna tayo mag-hoard because we have enough supply of food for our people. No? Even the Department of Agriculture has also assured na we have enough supply po of food. So wag tayo mag-panic and wag tayo mag-hoard. Of course, we also realize that there is an increase in the cost of the fuel, of the gas, there's a lot of variables that yung nakakapag-increase ng presyo ng isang produkto. So we expect na merong ibang produkto dito sa basic necessities and prime commodities na mag-i-increase. But we just have to confirm them po. So I will inform again the public next week kung ano yung napag-usapan po namin. But there are also a lot of products in the basic necessities and prime commodities list that have assured that there will be no price increase until the end of the month po. So dapat lang alamin ng ating mga consumers po is to keep on listening to the update of the DTI regarding the prices of basic necessities and prime commodities po.
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph. At pwede nyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, laging true sa'yo, kapatid.
Dito tayo sa